Nagkaroon tayo ng ating exercise number 1, which is direct control of a single acting cylinder. Okay, so we connect connection here in 13. You see number 13 here. Yes. And number 13, sunod is 14. You know that? And you punch it. And you go to the, and this, 0, negative. You tusok here, and this one. So, tapos na tayo sa ating connection. Susunod po ang ating mga hoses. So, check the hose if is this destructible. And you tusok here. It's very tight. Same this one. And you pick another hose. You enter here. It's very liquid. And exit here. Yeah. And we go to energize. Nakaupo siya. We open the air pressure area. So, and push the button.